Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to our school's principal, Miss Ruchika Bhasin. What makes her stand out is that she truly enjoys spending time with children. She is hands-on, she's present, and she isn't the kind of principal who knows children only on paper. She interacts with them daily. She knows their names, their personalities, and what makes them light up. And that really reflects in what our school is all about. It's the kind of a place that nurtures the whole child, not just the academics. Today I'll be asking Ruchika ma'am a few questions so you can get to know her better, and we're all going to learn what makes her approach so special. We often see you in our school's classrooms and at activities. So what makes that so important to you as a principal?
Thank you, Ksenia. Very well put, I have to say. For me, as a person, the heart of leadership lies in being with the children. It cannot be that I'm sitting in another zone and the kids are just there by themselves, or the teachers are just there by themselves. Everyone has to come collaboratively. Then only I think we can bring the best out in the children, because we as a team have to empower them. When I step into the classrooms, I'm not just observing, I'm connecting. I get to witness their little victories, their little losses, and all of their triumphs. It reminds me every day of why we exist as a school. My presence assures the children that they matter, not just to their teachers, but to me as the principal as well.
In your view, what should early education look like for children this young?
Early education should feel like an extension of childhood, not a departure from it. It should be filled with play, wonder, and hands on experience. At this age, children don't need pressure or rigid academics. But what they do need is spaces where their imagination, curiosity, and exploration is absolutely nurtured in a way that they bloom. When the kids are actually feeling safe, seen, and celebrated, learning happens naturally.
I absolutely agree with this, yeah. If you could leave parents with one thought about what truly matters in those early years, what could it be?
I would say this: children don't need perfection, they need presence. What matters most in these early years is not how quickly they can write or count, but how deeply they feel loved, supported, and understood. If we give them that at home and at school, we give them the strongest foundation for everything that lies ahead.
Absolutely agree. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.